flathead or something.
Bet.
Pull it out.
All right.
Oh, this one's different. No,
Oh,
this one's
hell
all the
nah. Chill, chill, chill.
I'm trying to.
Come over here then.
That's good. We just put it.
Oh, nah, bro. We're cooked.
Together.
Oh, yeah, we're cooked, bro.
This fool gave us the harder one. When? When?
Earlier. How about getting him, letting us get out early?
Yeah, put it like this.
I just gotta remember to put the rings back before this.
Look how many rings? There's more?
This last one.
But just keep them all together. Like that.
Yeah.
Like, don't even move them.
Nah, just put it like this. Yeah.
Oh, my bad.
No, this is like totally different.
You need a tool for this one.
You said it's the same thing?
No, it's not. It's not the same thing. No, it's not.
Yeah, this shit is not the same thing. We got rings now?
Alright. Just keep them together.
Oh, fuck, bro. Nice. Good shit.
Bro, more fucking rings?
Is that right? Shit.
Yeah, because that goes towards the outside. No, it's not there.
Oh, yeah, you're right. You're right. I am, bro.
No, I swear to God, it was this, bro. Swear to God, it was this, bro.
It does not go in. That
That
thing's
one
the.
did not go
Yeah.
What was this one?
It's
Yeah,
too
it was
loose for
this.
that.
But wouldn't it go the other way, bro?
Take the pictures.
I think that one goes upside down, bro. There you go.
Oh shit, we're fucked.
Nah, wait. This goes with this. Let me see.
Yeah, that's what.
Yeah,
That's what I'm saying. This
is
goes
the,
first.
The whole system that we were working, he was showing us earlier. This is it, bro.
So this one goes first, no?
No, the other way. The other way?
Fucking beautiful.
Like that. I think you gotta match him with the.
Oh
the
yeah,
shits, man.
he's right.
Oh, so you have to make them straight.
Yeah. It's crazy. It was.
Yeah, you're good.
Yeah, straight. Try to line it.
There you go.
Thanks, beautiful.
Gotta line it. There you go.
And like this, right? Let me see.
Alright.
I think this.
Penguin. Can't fly. Do birds. It's a penguin.
Okay,
It's a penguin is a bird. But I'm asking, do birds fly?
Exactly. Penguins don't.
Am I asking, do penguins fly?
But they're a bird though.
No, I'm asking, do
technically
birds
they
fly?
don't fly. Not all birds fly though. Just like
all
not all
dogs go to
Teslas have
heaven.
autopilot.
Do birds fly? Do birds
You
fly?
need a tool for that. Or, well, to make it easier at least.
This
Probably.
one kept doing it.
What's wrong with you, bro? Hey, you think this show? How good do you think this thing feels when you're drinking?
Not that good, though. Like we're like ODing it. It's not that good. It's not even supposed to go there.
Why you putting it there?
It does go.
This one.
The polar bears live in the ocean.
They do.
In the ocean?
Right in them.
Nah, they live in the zoo, bro.
The zoos? No, those are the ones that get caught. They got
Pigs
caught
live in-
whacking.
the pigs.
He's like, what are you doing?
I think the short one's good. This one's good. It fits.
Yeah.
Okay, so don't get scared. Don't get scared.
Are you scared?
I ain't scared.
My pretty princess?
Yeah, I don't think.
This is a weird ass angle, bro.
I don't think this one's gonna work.
Weird ass angle.
So what, no service needed?
Yeah, fuck it, no service.
No, the gasket.
Besides the gas.
Oh, we need a new gasket. That's what we put. Yeah. Need a new.
Wait, make sure that doesn't fall. Should we take a... Yeah, it's just gonna come with it.
Is that what we're working on?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Is what we're working on?
No, we're working on that.
Holy fuck. Holy cow, this thing's coming out.
Check out the sunken.
Oh.
Unnecessary.
Sure, it fits, wait.
It does. Let me see. Let me see.
Brake cleaner? Come on, man.
Alright. So you spin right.
Go, do it.
You didn't know what it was?
He didn't even. Wow. Brake cleaner. It's fucking started on.
Nice.
Neta?
Oh, the tranny open?
Do a hand now. Yeah, hand.
Good girl. Do it.
I don't feel good, bro.
You got nail polish.
Just put it in there.
It's
Thank
not
you.
brake cleaner.
It's brake cleaner, bro.
He was like, who got nail polish? Man, what the fuck, dude, man? There's more screws.
Oh, what the fuck? This motherfucker. Oh, crazy. Era, homie. Prophet.
I don't know.
Oh, they got the wrong pair? Oh, so again. Oh. I guess I gotta do a different shit.
One goes
Yeah,
on the
that's
edge.
it. You still need to do this one that we just did.
Look, they got.
Mr. Taba, we took it apart and put it back together. You missed it.
Why is yours different?
No, he didn't miss it. He just didn't give a fuck about it.
Yeah, bro. That fuck that.
Right here.
Fuck that shit.
We had to replace
We
it.
took it apart
Yeah.
and then we put it back together.
New gasket.
Okay, so is there anything inside this?
Yeah,
Yeah, look.
we put it back in.
Hey, look.
Damn, dude. Shit, man.
So these are the internal parts, right?
Yes, sir.
And you know how they go?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
So look,